another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Alright y'all, this is where the video began to get very chaotic because I was running out of time. But here I am cutting red skin potatoes in half. Then for my steaks, I seasoned those with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And as you can see, I am searing the steaks on the side. So why I'm doing this is because I want to get the fat on the sides of the ribeye steaks to get a nice sear to them, a nice color, you know. We want every part of the steak cooked. We want every part of the steak to taste good. So that's why I'm doing that, you know. Just getting a nice little sear on the side before I fully lay them down. And I'm cooking these on medium high with avocado oil. That's just what I use to cook. I mean, you can use whatever kind of oil you want, but I use avocado oil. Then while that was cooking, I did my potatoes, boiled those on high. Y'all know how to boil potatoes. You want them to a nice fork tenderness. Y'all see how they're just sliding off the fork? That's how you want them. That's how you want them. So then you're going to drain them and you're going to put them back in the pot. And then you're going to use your $3 Walmart mashed potato masher. I don't even know what to call this thing, but you're gonna get it because Omi put you on and it saved your life, because it saved my life. You're gonna use that double time, y'all. So then we're gonna go over there, we're gonna flip the steaks, we're gonna let those cook for 45 minutes on each side for medium well. That's how I like my steak. Back to the potatoes, we're using heavy whipping cream, salt, pepper, and minced garlic to season the potatoes. Y'all gonna see that in a minute. Y'all, I was rushing my life away trying to cook this food. I felt like that little boy on Gordon Ramsay's show when he was mixing up potatoes. That's exactly how I felt cooking this food. So for the steaks, I'm checking the temp. You want them to be about 150 degrees for a nice medium well. I'm using a compound butter that I made myself. Y'all know if y'all want this, y'all gonna have to get this video to about, I'll give y'all a break. I'll say 12 likes. Get this video 12 likes. I'll drop a compound butter video. Child, forgot I didn't start the asparagus. For the asparagus, I used avocado oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and some of that compound butter for them, and I let those cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. When I say I was in double time in this kitchen trying to cook this food, y'all, just as fast as this video is going is probably how fast I was going in real life. I was over it and tired. I was hungry. I just wanted to eat. But I kept going back and basting my steaks because, you know, you want that butter to get all up in there. And this is how everything turned out. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it.